you're staying well. So today is a simple fun craft that will help you enjoy the outdoors in this upcoming hot weather. So everyone loves water balloons, but those are a mess to clean up and they're not really great for the environment. So I'm going to show you guys how to take simple kitchen sponges and turn them into water bombs. So what you need for each one is 3 sponges. Not the scrubby kind, just a regular old sponge. So you need 3 for each water bomb that you make. So I went ahead and I started cutting some. So this was a sponge and I cut it the long way into thirds. And I did this with that as well. And I'll cut this last one so you could see how I do it. Simple. Just cut it into thirds. Then you're going to gather all the pieces up in whatever order you want. It doesn't really matter. And make sure they're all kind of uniform. You need to take a hair tie or a rubber band, but a hair tie works really well. Hopefully this one doesn't break when I do this. And you want to secure it nice and tight in the middle. Let's see if I get one more loop. So once you have it nice and tight in the middle, you want to just go around and poof it out. So it's like a rounder shape. And there you go. You make a bunch of these. You could set up buckets on either side of your yard, dip them in the bucket and throw them at each other like reusable water balloons. You could have them in the pool. You could squeeze them over your head and cool off this summer. And if you hear some wacky thumping noises in the background, that's just my cat trying to get to a moth, so ignore that. All right, guys, have a great week, and I'll see you next week with something else fun to do. Bye.